If you're just starting an AMR deployment now, you might want to think about the scale that you plan to have eventually. So the first thing you want to do is select a scalable solution from the beginning. And that's because of the cost of switching being high. And the key to that is planning for success. If your first AMR deployment is successful, how do you see expanding your AMR use? Think about how many robots might be needed. Think about how much space there might be in the map. Think about how many endpoints you need for material transfer. Evaluate the AMR vendor against all of those criteria and all of those limits. Also ask the AMR vendor about how much network capacity is needed per robot, and make sure that your factory network can handle that. You really want to design for connectivity and security from the very beginning. You want to partner with your IT team, not spring something on them later. This is actually really important. You want to make sure you have enough bandwidth so that you can handle all the connectivity from the robots to the fleet manager and back. And you also want to think about security. In some ways, you can look at an AMR as a network computer on wheels. So work with IT on security audits beforehand, not after you're up and running and relying on the solution.